Last witness we examined on second floor. Small.
Accused Ramesh Dakhar produced from Jail Azad from District and Correctional Home, Shillong. Accused Sampair Kusu, present. Accused Saidul Alam,
Your Honor, I'm appearing for the accused person Saidul Alam. He's on his way.
present. Accused Phonlang Surong,
Along from.
present. Who is the counsel?
You plead army?
Arbihing.
Defense counsel absent without any steps. Prosecutor so and so present. Prosecution shall ensure that witness is present on the next date fixed. Accused Ramesh Dakhar is remanded back to 14 days judicial custody. Yes. Yes.
Witness present.
Yes. Yes. Accused.
Your Honor, I tried to call the accused yesterday and this morning as well, but it says this incoming calls unavailable.
What is the charge?
Says guilty.
We'll examine the witness. Yes, next.
Still in swear.
What is the charge? Yes, who's appearing for the Where is the accused?
That's UTP.
What is the charge?
109 BNS.
What is 109?
Attempt to murder. And 117 voluntary causing grievous harm.
How long he is in custody?
136 PM.
Any bail application was moved?
No,
You are a private counsel or state?
private.
You have received copy of charge sheet?
Yes, sir.
You want to argue before framing charge?
Our consult will message me for
You should consult and then come to the court, na? Do you want to argue before framing charge?
Yes, sir.
Then start, tell. We can't adjourn the matter for argument before charges after under BNSS. Charges has to be framed within 2 months. We can't give you time. If you want time, go to the parliament. We can't grant time for hearing before consideration of charges under the BNSS.
We will concede to the charge.
Huh?
We'll concede to the charge.
And then we frame the charge. Bring the charge sheet. The first date
Yes, sir.
after charge sheet has been filed. Okay, then we give you one chance. This is first date, huh?
Yes, first.
Okay. Next date we fix it. Comment what me produced from Jail Azad BC. Defense counsel, Siri, your good name, please. H. Lalu present. Prosecutor, who is appearing for prosecution? India present. Charges shall be framed on the next date fixed. Nay, refix this matter for consideration of charges. If the defense fails to argue the matter, a necessary order shall be passed for framing charge. Yes, next. Baking stone,
Stone is still in custody. Or not?
Still in custody in some other.
Actually, we have case in council also. So verification is being made whether he's on bail or not.
But Ratan is out. Ratan is.
And our witness is joined from the DC conference room in West Khasi, north side,
who's the
DC.
DC?
Then DC of this district also.
Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Yes.
Take up now.
Yes. How long will it take?
Not much. This is issued sanction.
Okay. Who's the DC? Who's the witness? DC?
LSM Dykes Garab.
2021, I was the Deputy Commissioner of West Jaintia District.
No, but when was he nominated as
Okay,
MCS?
when were you nominated as an IAS?
MCS,
MCS,
MCS.
MCS, I mean.
No, I was selected into the IS in.
No, no, MCS,
2000.
MCS, as MCS, sir.
I'm not from the State Civil Service.
Okay, okay.
He was nominated.
Nominated to IAS.
When?
Nominated an IAS as, when?
Selected as appointment by selection into the IS service in 2016.
Or selected? Not nominated.
He said selected. Selected, not nominated, no, sir?
No, in the notion by the president of this, it said that appointment by selection.
Appointment by selection.
I was selected as an IS
IAS.
officer.
If you allow me, there are two categories of officers. One is from the state civil service, and another is from the non-state civil service. So I come from the non-state civil service.
I was selected as an IS officer in the year
2016.
2016. My selection was from the category of
Non-state service.
non-state service, not non-state civil service.
Non-state civil service.
From the category of non-state civil service. Yes. I was the deputy commissioner.
In 2021.
In the year 2021, I was the deputy commissioner of West Jaintia Hill, bracket Joy, comma Joy. Yes.
And presently, sir?
Presently, I'm the deputy commissioner of West Khasi Hills District.
Now continue to now I'm the deputy commissioner of West Jaintia Hill, West Khasi Hill.
No, time. Okay, sir, kindly tell us what is your role in this instant case, sir?
In the instant case,
Sir, kindly be slow so we can note it down.
yes, I will save the case of diaries and other local departments from the State of Police West Jaintia Hill districts, and I have produced the same, and I was satisfied that the primacy case has been established, and accordingly, I have quoted section under Section 7 of the Indian Explosive Substance Act 1908.
In the instant case, I have accorded sanction for prosecution under Section 7 of the Indian Explosive Act 1908. It is Indian Explosive Act or Indian Explosive Substance Act? Indian Explosive and Substance Act 1908. Next paragraph. The case diary, along with the case record, was placed before me. I perused the case diary and the record, comma, on being satisfied, I accorded prosecution sanction under Section 7 of the Indian Explosive
Substance Act
1908. Yes. On being shown the sanction order dated
26/10/21.
it is exhibited as
Show me on. Sir, we will just show you this order which was prepared by you. Can you confirm whether this is the one, sir?
Yes, I have a copy of the
No,
order.
no, no. I'm showing you this original, sir.
Oh, okay.
Is this the one?
Yes, that is the order.
Does he find his signature there?
Is your signature in that body of
yes,
the
that-
document, sir? Yes.
Yes, that is my signature.
That's exhibit.
I'll just check. So there are lots of exhibit here. Anything more, sir?
Nothing from my side.
Exhibit that is my signature.
That's all.
Yes.
I'll just confirm the exhibit number.
For whom? We are called this. We are
And for this baking stone and ratan window.
Yes.
Sir, my first question to you is, what are the factors in the case record or diary that you have considered before you accord this sanction to this accused?
No, I have specifically, it's matter of record. We received the case diaries along with other relevant papers, and I was certified that the privacy case has been established on the basis of the case diaries report, which are matter of records in the office of the Deputy Commissioner, District Magistrate West Jaintia District.
What is that?
Actually, my question to him is, what are the relevant record diary that has been placed before the district magistrate, the then district magistrate, to accord sanction under section 7 of the explosive
He said the case diary and the case record. That's already gone.
Yes. So my next question is whether the original case record was being placed before you or the copy of the case record was produced before you.
Uh,
The original case record or the copy of the case record was placed before you.
I cannot remember exactly, but it's not a report in the file, which I also have the file number in the office of the district magistrate of West Jaintia District.
I cannot recollect if the original case record and the case diary was placed before me. Before according sanction. Yes.
Before any sanction has been accorded by your office, whether any independent inquiry was made by your office.
There was no inquiry from the office, but purely on the basis of the case diaries report, which has been examined properly by the superintendent officers like the ADM, AC. Then it came to me while I also examined and was satisfied that privacy case has been established.
So you mean to say no independent inquiry was conducted by your office?
No inquiry conducted from me.
It's the fact that no independent inquiry was conducted prior to according sanction.
So the sanction that you have issued in this case is based on the findings of the police only.
Yes, on the basis of the case
It is the
diary
fact-
reports
it is the
along
fact
with
that
the detailed findings, received from the office, from the Department of Police.
It is a
West
fact that
Jaintia State.
it is a fact that I accorded sanction based on the finding of the investigating agency.
So, can I ask you what type of explosive was being recovered in this case? We want to know.
May you repeat again? The sound is not stricken.
My question to you is, after you have perused the case diary, can you tell us what exactly is the explosive that has been recovered in this case?
At this moment, I cannot recall because it's quite long time since.
I cannot recollect what kind of explosive was recovered in the instant case.
That's all.
You're not allowed to take cross examination.
For this one, adopt. Accused Demondar, accused Baking Stone, who is on bail in the instant case and produced on the strength of production warrant. From district prison and correction home. Accused Ratan Lindo present. Accused Demondar produced on the strength of production warrant.
Yes, yes.
A witness PW.
PW 10 one. Previously, we have examined PW 9. 11.
PW 11 appeared to BC from West Jaintia Hill, West Khasi Hill, and discharged. Any more witness?
Yes, yes.
Please show further evidence.
Okay, sir, thank you. And then we will be sending the copy of the deposition to you, sir. Vice versa, you will
Thank you.
signing the same and send it back to us.
Accused these
Will you, sir?
baking stones have been produced for court on the next date fix. On the strength production warrant. हाँ? क्या बात बोली? जोर से बोलो.
He was trying to tell like how when he was arrested,
थोड़ा तेज बोलो.
पुलिस स्टेशन में जब मेरा आने का टाइम में 4 से 1 लाख रुपया
पुलिस.
हाँ बोलने से पैसा लेने के बाद में बोलने से बोलता है पैसे के बारे में कुछ सोचने बोलेगा तो केस डाल देगा आपके पास.
कौन पुलिस?
So he was telling like when he was arrested, so some money was being taken by him.
तुम्हारा पास 1 लाख रुपया कहाँ से आया?
पापा ने दिया था मेरे को.
तुम्हारा पापा है ही नहीं.
घर में है अभी.
कहाँ घर में?
वो काफी सुना
कहाँ?
काफी सुना मैं.
कभी बोलता बैंगलोर, कभी बोलता तुम बैंगलोर में था.
उधर में काम करता था.
इधर बाबा
अभी
तो बैंगलोर में बात किया था फोन में, वो कौन है?
मेरा पापा सर अभी उधर से काम करके अभी उधर में बस्ती में है सर.
1 लाख रुपया तुमको क्या चीज, तुम क्या काम करता है?
मैं से ड्राइविंग करता सर. पापा ने दिया था मेरे को पैसा भरना किसने दिया.
1 लाख रुपया कितने साल पहले?
पापा ऐसे मजदूरी करता है उधर में पैसा जमा करके घर में दे रहा था सर.
कोई चीज है दिखाने के लिए तुम्हारे पास 1 लाख रुपया था और तुम पुलिस को दिया?
ऐसा कैंटा करता है.
लाओ लाओ.
नहीं सर उधर जाके
भाग जाएगा जाने से.
नहीं जाएगा सर.
तुम कागज लेके आओ, दिखाओ हम लोग को, जो कि तुम 1 लाख रुपया तुमसे पुलिस लिया, तो हम लोग फिर ऑर्डर पास करेगा. We'll ask him to explain.
Yes, I have.
Give the evidence. We just cannot ask the reckless allegations. We cannot.
I'll tell him to bring this.
तुम पुलिस को 1 लाख रुपया दिया तुमको छोड़ने के लिए?
नहीं छोड़ने के लिए.
ये तो किस लिए दिया?
पैकेट से ले लिया सर जबरदस्ती.
वाह, पॉकेट में 1 लाख लेके घूमता है तुम.
मेरा घर में दे रहा था, मेरा माँ के लिए भेज दिया दुकान में।
हाँ, माई कहाँ है तुम्हारा? माई कहाँ है?
माँ घर में है सर।
बाबा कहाँ?
बाबा उधर में है सर।
बाबा के कैसे किस हवाई जहाज से भेजा पैसा?
गाड़ी से ना था सर,
बाबा गाड़ी से 1 लाख रुपए भेजा?
While he was coming from Silchar,
हाँ,
at that time he told like his father had given him that type of money, so to give. So on the way when he was arrested, that money was taken. That is what he is trying to tell. 99,000.
कोई चीज है दिखाने के लिए तुम्हारे पास 1 लाख रुपया था? क्या है?
बैंक से जब पैसा निकाला तो उसका कब्जा है सर।
तुमको बाबा दिया पैसा ना, तब बैंक से निकाला?
बैंक से भी निकाला सर,
कौन निकाला?
मेरा पापा।
तुम सिलचर गया था?
हाँ,
He was
तो तुम्हारा
arrested.
पिताजी भी इन्वॉल्व है ये बम ब्लास्ट केस में?
नहीं सर।
पैसा तुम्हारा काम करने का पैसा तुमको पिताजी को देता है लोग, आतंकवादी लोग? हाँ,
नहीं सर,
क्या चीज का 1 लाख रुपया दिया तुमको पिताजी?
मेरा पापा बोला था घर में भेज दो पैसा खाने के लिए, मेरा बहन मेरा।
वाह, 1 लाख रुपए का खाना खाता तुम लोग? कौन सा खाना खाता है 1 लाख रुपए? ना ना, what money 1 lakh rupees means his father also is involved.
I will ask him to
All the
bring me
payment
back
done to the father for this explosive, this first bomb blast case in Jaintia. हाँ,
Successfully blast.
तुम कहाँ से सीखा ये सब बम बनाने? हाँ, तुम बेंगलोर में भी था? क्या काम करता है तुम?
ये में था, क्लियर में था,
क्या काम करता है?
गाड़ी चलाता सर,
कौन सा गाड़ी चलाता है तुम?
ये लोकल टैक्सी सर,
हाँ, किसके टैक्सी?
ये मालिक है सर।
किसके साथ रहता है तुम?
घर में माँ के साथ में रहता है सर।
पिताजी?
पिताजी घर में ऐसे सर में।
But he is the man. He made us speak to somebody saying that his father in Bangalore.
That time he told that his father was working there. Now he is back home.
तुम्हारा पिताजी सिलचर में काम करता है ना बेंगलोर में?
बेंगलोर में पहले काम कर रहा था।
क्या काम?
ऐसे मजदूरी काम करता है।
मजबूरी काम? क्या होता है मजबूरी काम?
दुकान में सर।
What is मजबूरी काम?
Masduri is
ओ मजदूरी।
Mazdoor.
मजदूरी काम करके 1 लाख रुपए जमा कर लेता है। Anyway, he might be true also.
No, no, I will tell him to bring
हाँ,
all those.
तुम्हारा अगर कागज है दिखाने के लिए, तुम 1 लाख रुपया तुम्हारा पास था जब तुमको पुलिस अरेस्ट किया, लेके आओ, ठीक है? अब तुम दिखा नहीं सके तुम्हारा पास 1 लाख रुपया था और तुम पुलिस को दिया, तो हम लोग तुमको वापस पैसा लेके तुमको देगा। कुछ कागज दिया पुलिस जब तुमसे पैसा लिया? कहाँ में रखा था पैसा तुम? यही पेन पहना था? हाँ हाँ हाँ,
जींस का पेन पहना वाला।
Jeans.
कितना रुपए का नोट था?
कितना
कितना बंडल था? एक बंडल में कितना था?
You know, let him bring all those. I will ask him.
ले आओ कागज ले आओ। कौन ऑफिसर था? हाँ, कौन पुलिस स्टेशन?
अभी पहले तो क्लियर में था, अभी काम में मालूम नहीं सर।
नहीं मिला इधर था बेटा।
ये नहीं किया सर हमसे। मेरा फोन भी है सर, दुबई में सर।
पर्सनल प्रॉपर्टी आती थी।
Yes, personal property is there. Only the
वो मिल जाएगा, तुम्हारा फोन सब में मिलेगा। तो पर्सनल प्रॉपर्टी।
yes, registration record.
सर हम बैंक का जो बैंक से पापा पैसा निकल रहा था, इसका साक्षी थे अभी तक भी। मेरा पापा को फोन करके हम बोले हमने आगा रात में घर में ये कब्जा लेने के लिए।
You will see, you know, from the day. All right.
तो वकील को दो फाइल एप्लीकेशन।
Yes. Good day.
Yes, this application. Any witness there?
One more.
Huh?
One more witness is there.
What time is it?
One is a complainant.
Huh?
Complainant.
It doesn't matter much time. Let the witness come from which place? The witness has come from which place? Huh?
Is one nearby.
Where is the witness? Where is the witness? Then let the example. Yes, go back. Yes, yes.
Senganiwa, Sanjungja,
Yang yang. I exhibit. Pembuat dulu. Smile.
Maya,
Làm nghề hốc.
Lamihap,
Người hốc đoàn hí.
Hidupani,
Apply gerat.
Blanga,
Yarap. Hamkom celah. Hamkom celah.
Ampun Jela,
Ini. Hamkai. Kamu kalau PR tu, nhiều kopi lah itu nak. Kanai ngamai bah wan yokot ngawan ini. I received someone to appear some court case. Kanai itu dia. Ang case. Lami.
United, Musa, Piura, Musa,
Betul.
Odino, Combines. Ada dengan em trong mundur. Odino bisa dalam,
Kami terus dan kamu senang benar.
dan ada cara tarik,
Benar.
nyala,
Itu benar kamu.
nyai muai.
I have received information
Odino nyasa juga,
about the assault on my brother. Kamu tu Olino Rumbai. Assault on my brother Olino Rumbai. Olino Rumbai on the 17th. However, I cannot collect the month, but it was on the year 2023. It was in the year 2023. And during the incident, my brother was residing at Mokundur village. Where is that?
ya,
With his wife. Village with his wife.
Odino bisa senang, Odino berbeda, ngai kes lagi tim, balik tu mai chuan te tu pujum na yap ke tri nam mai kam te yap tu si aski hai chat ke tri ya im pon la na ala that
On that particular day, madam, can't you personally
nhiều yo
share with your interview?
nga ko te chi at aru che aski
On that particular day, the information was passed on by some persons to my wife. You would
beautiful
to
sunshine
my wife, beautiful Senchai, at around 12 p.m. informing that my brother Olino Mumbai has been assaulted and has expired. My wife hurriedly informed me about the same. And thereafter, I have left from my village, Madur, Madur, no, Madur village. Towards Mukundur. Mukundur village. The large Mukundur Mutula.
Amurai mengurusan dalam menguas tinggi sabun mah pon tele jual kuyuran laris mundur laris tidak mulung ada eksteran por dulu macam pori
On my way to Mukundur village, I received a phone call from my representative from there. Orma. Received a phone call from my sister, Srimati Orma Rambai. Ormai Rambai, who has instructed me not to go to Mukundur, however, proceed directly to Umolong Police Beat House, as the dead body of Olinor Rambai has already been taken by the police.
Pusmarte puselong sang. Auto wa nyam le ko tadi.
On the point way to the light, more you
Naga por jante pen niga buya kurang. Speech por de la selo. Aku en pokeri. De la selo por mas te piu. Ten man radio surah. Mara sulung de. Lai fa aran tra ulang ni.
When I reached Umolong Police Beat House, I saw the corpse of my brother, CRPSE, was lying inside the vehicle, police vehicle. And also I saw the person who had murdered my brother inside the police beat house. After a few moments, the remains of my brother was taken to Jawai Civil Hospital, Yalong, for completion of the postmortem. Conducting postmortem on his corpse. On his corpse, COR, please. After the formalities has been completed, the body was handed over to us. The body was taken home. Sini tak biasa yung saya mau rumah, saya mau kendur rumah sih.
Te kuyuran.
Home at Madur village. Thereafter, video pirago apa semendo bersama. Thereafter, I along with my family members went back to Umolong Beat House to lodge a complaint in connection with the incident. I have filed the FIR. Solution.
Itu mun.
Solution ini. Solution ini. Solution. Baik. Solution ini. Solution ini. Solution ini. Solution ini.
Ya. Ini kan.
Being shown. I updated 17/3/2023. 17 March 2023. It is exhibited exhibit 1. And the thumb impression is marked as exhibit 1 by 1. I'm to put me.
Saya udah tiup sana.
Give me what I'm doing.
Hah?
Give me what I'm doing.
Nga punya
You.
tu pun apa?
Betul.
Betul tu ada. Oh ya. Pun nak tip tu kan.
My brother was murdered by his stepson. However, I do not know his name. I'm to put me up.
Nah, saya tiba.
That's all. Ano kulijin klinik kong bima. Met na jubak tip ma. Kali sesit. Let's see.
Mà giờ cái này cái FIRP vậy hả? Giờ cái này cái FIRP vậy hả? Còn lại if police station.
Nah, tu mau tak sangti ya.
Thì tiếp tục hả? Tấn tọt thì vậy là cái FIR.
Hujan besar ya.
The FIR was not drafted by me. However, it was my nephew. You bertuju?
Besar?
Hả?
Okey.
Thấy? Nó rầm bài nó.
Okey.
Rừng khlam. Tê rừng khlam. Dah kini kesini wa katnya terik cewan MP por wa.
Nah,
Yo
itu.
tinggi hayong ke. Hewan hayong kan ke. Semadun. On the 17th, I was at my residence. My residence at Madur. Kepor yo ting tipi mem lai bichini chi yung yung pe yu ke. Mem. It's the fact that I do not go to the residence of the victim after receiving the information. Nang kong yo ting tipi na phone na gani ga dia yang phi nang ka ha. As the mahadin nan yo ting tip an phi ga na piyun phi. It's the fact that I receive information over the phone from Srimati Ormai đó, Ormai Rambai. Te cái cái con Ormai, em nấu ông gọi phi và yêu gọi te Jaintia, happy. It is a fact that Srimati Ormai did not claim to have witness. Did not claim to have witnessed the incident to me. Tụi ông qualifica lại comment tiếp coi này chính chứ?
Em tu cài sao? Dành sự mong đó.
Họ thì có tụi em hiểu qualifica lại và comment tiếp coi này chính chứ? Or phone vậy thì.
Phone pun tengah. Tiap budaya. Tiap pun.
Just một em qualifica hay thì por và comment tiếp coi này chính chứ? It is a fact that
Thế đi thế.
I do not ask her how she came to know about the alleged incident. I do not ask her about how she came to know about the alleged incident. Mà chứ anh chính tiếp phi và uniu pi yang phi jo man bạn chit kliu cha yung man mi ku primo
Ông ấy bị bam thế, mình bị bam mà.
di bang the
Có
rap
cái chuyện
man
đó nan đẹp ra.
nam. This is not a fact that the victim is very violent at home. That the victim is not the deceased is not very violent at home. Very violent at home towards his wife. Em chính tiếp phi và uniu pi yang phi mà em ở perchang mu penyap y kurim yang o ti por vai va hay ti por uniu kon yang o ma kon na o da mat da perchang y da pani o hay ti por em chính tiếp phi ta em chính tiếp phi I am not aware that the victim had fainted. Aware that the victim attempted to kill the accused and the accused defended himself. Một ini bro kitu ba tipi mat through na phone na man ba na phone na ba tipi. It is a fact that I rely entirely on what was told over the phone to me. It is a fact that I rely entirely on what I was told to me over the phone. Yeah. Yeah.
Evidence completed.
Yes. If you further move, prosecution text. Yes. 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 What is the answer to it?
So with regards to this regarding the jurisdiction, I sought a clarification from AJ with regards to the jurisdiction of this court and the POCSO court.
Yes.
So, Your Honor, in view of Section 51 and
Section?
Section 31 of the POCSO Act and Section
BR Boy. Your Honor, the council.
Which
Your
item?
Honor,
Which item? Which item?
Pardon, Your Honor.
Which item? Item number? Number 3.
Number 3, yes, sir.
You are appearing
I'm
for.
for the claimant.
Yes, tell me. Tell me.
Uh,
What do you
that
want?
the-
You have filed your claim.
Yes, sir. No, it was fixed for report, Your Honor.
What?
Report. And the last date, it haven't been settled. So the council for the
Yes.
insurance pay for report.
Yes, yes. What is the report?
The report by the insurance, Your Honor.
Now tell me.
Your Honor, the investigation has been done by the company, but the main office, they are still yet to get a report. And Your Honor, the council is praying for adjournment, Your Honor, because he is unable to be present today as he is not well, Your Honor.
This last order passed on the last day. Do you have a copy of the order?
No, not yet, Your Honor.
You are from Joy.
Yes.
Huh?
I'm from Joy, Your Honor.
You don't have the file. Your name?
Sampurna Susni. Susni.
Learner Counsel for the claimant present. Learner Counsel Shri S.
Susni.
Learner Counsel S. Susni for the OP insurance present and submits that. Report on OD claim is awaited. You file written statement, no? You file written statement? No. A refix for report. Yes. This one MSCT refix for journey. After vacation. That's all.
Okay.
Anything we have?
So,
Mm, 313.
213, Your Honor.
Which one? No, we don't. We don't do 313. Anything else we have?
With regards to the previous case, sir, I have given one judgment,
Which one?
but it's with regards to PC Act, Your Honor. That question that sessions code and special code are not the same, not in the same
Why
category.
you don't? This is Madras.
This is principal code, Your Honor. That,
Same. This is it.
that Madurai bench is another, and this
It's
is
same
principal.
line. But different.
It explains on that section 9, section 8 of criminal law amendment, all those.
Yes.
Yes, Your Honor. In
Show me
this,
the relevant paragraph. Show me that paragraph. It says the power to grant anticipated bail was that
lies
issue,
here in sessions code,
not the.
not the special.
But why are you sitting back then? You should have given this.
Your Honor, because I'm not sure maybe if this judgment is not.
No, the principle is same. We are not on the any particular statute. We are on the principle of law.
Okay.
That special courts are constituted.
Yes.
That Antules case, they referred 1984. It talks about we should not get into this hierarchy of the courts, whether it's magisterial court, session court. All right, we are on the principle of law. That's what I am talking about. None of the lawyers could address that issue.
There's one observation, Your Honor, in
Paragraph?
paragraph 17. 17. But it's in it has been extracted, Your Honor, from 64. 17 in
Page. Right on the top. Tell me the page number.
page number 10, Your Honor.
Then yes.
This part, Your Honor, in view of the observation of the apex code of the
One
land.
second, one second, one second. Where's my glass? Oh. Yes.
In view of the
Where
observation
are you
of
reading?
this 64, Your Honor.
Yes. Since provision of.
Yes. Only this underlining part, Your Honor.
You're reading.
In view of the observation of the apex code of the land, it will not be proper to put the code of special judge in the category of code of session for all purposes.
It's so obvious that special judge has no appellate or revisional jurisdiction
Yes.
at all. While the court of session certainly has several cases. Yeah, yes. This is what exactly I'm talking about.
Yes, Your Honor. And the next page also, Your Honor, again here, all the three shall be codes of session. But so far as the provision of section 438 of the code is concerned, only the code of session presided over by the session judge, in my opinion, can be moved for granting bail before arrest of an accused who feels reasonable apprehension about being arrested on accusation of non-bailable offense. This line also. That's 66, Your Honor.
So why you see at the back? I would have passed order for reference, relying on this decision. See, that's what exactly I'm trying to make the point is that session court is not like the other court. Session court has got other power also, appellate jurisdiction, revisional jurisdictions. It's not like special court. Special court does not have any such powers. So that is, equating special judge with a special court is not the same. Session judge has got so many other powers. Revisional jurisdiction, revisional power, appellate jurisdiction, review jurisdiction.
Yes, sir.
This is Madras High Court again.
This is Madras High Court. This is principal court. And that one is just a bench, Madurai bench. This is a principal bench, Your Honor. It is in Madras only.
Had you given me, I would have. Anyway, I'll read through this.
Yes.
No,
So I got it today morning only, yeah, this case.
you should have given, this one. This is the state of affair of so.
Even in para 30 also, Your Honor, page 18,
Page 18.
section 9 CRPC also, the one which you have earlier
Yes.
stated, Your Honor.
Page.
It's page number 18, Your Honor. That section 9 also they have. That hierarchy, Your Honor, that section 9, establishment of a court of session.
Yes, which paragraph? 30.
31, Your Honor, it talks about that.
Please read.
Section 9 CRPC speaks about the establishment of a court of session in every sessions division, which shall be presided over by a judge to be appointed by the High Court. Subsection 3 of Section 9 CRPC further provides that the High Court may also appoint additional session judge and assistant sessions judge to exercise jurisdiction in the court of session. However, Section 10 CRPC speaks about the subordination of assistant session judge who shall be subordinate to the session judge in whose court they exercise jurisdiction. Further, Section 10.2 CRPC also provides the session judge to make rules in relation to distribution of business among such assistant additional sessions judge.
From careful reading.
From a careful reading of the above provisions, visualize sections 9 and 10 CRPC. What flows is that the head of the sessions of sessions unit is the sessions judge, who is appointed by the High Court, and in addition to the said judge, who shall be in charge of the sessions division. The High Court may also appoint additional sessions judge and assistant sessions judge to exercise jurisdiction in a court of session, and that the said additional assistant sessions judge will be subordinate to the sessions judge. From the above provision of the law, it is manifestly clear that it is within the power of the High Court to also appoint additional assistant sessions judge who shall exercise jurisdiction, but it will be to the exclusion of the sessions judge who is the head of the sessions division. There can be no second thought on the said provisions, as no ambiguity exists even on a plain reading of the said provisions. However, the issue put before the court is that Section 3 of the PC Act prescribes that person appointed as a special judge should be in the cadre of session judge or an additional sessions judge or an assistant sessions judge. In this backdrop, it is stoutly contended that the special judge, though being a totally excluded entity insofar as the criminal justice system is concerned, where four types of criminal courts are contemplated: visualized, court of sessions, judicial magistrate of first class, judicial magistrate of second class, and executive magistrate. The special judge will be an included entity falling under the Code of Sessions in view of the language and terminology used while specifying the powers of the special judge, as found in Section 5.3 of the PC Act, which is to the effect that, for the purpose of the provisions which should mean the Criminal Procedure Code, the Court of Special Judge shall be deemed to be a court of session, and therefore the special judge could very well exercise the power under Section 438, as it is a court of session for all practical purposes. The above argument in foresight, though, looks not only attractive but equally acceptable, but rather in hindsight, the said argument is not only fallacious, but accepting the said argument will make the provision of Section 438 CRPC odious, and it would also be contradiction to Section 9 and 10 CRPC. No doubt, as per Section 3.2 of the PC Act, the person who can be appointed as a special judge should be a session judge or an additional session judge or an assistant sessions judge. Section 9.3 of CRPC rests upon the High Court power to appoint additional sessions judge and assistant sessions judge to exercise jurisdiction in a court of session. The wording used in Section 9.3 CRPC is that the High Court may also appoint. Therefore, it clearly reveals that over and above the judge, who would be in the cadre of session judge, being appointed by the High Court to the head of the Sessions Division, the High Court may also appoint additional sessions judge and assistant sessions judge to exercise jurisdiction in a court of session, subordinate to the session judge as mandated under Section 10 CRPC. Therefore, the hierarchy is very clear that the session judge is the head of the Sessions Division, being appointed by the High Court, and the High Court, in exercise of its power under Section 90 CRPC, may appoint any number of additional assistant sessions judge to exercise jurisdiction in a court of session. This categorically reveals that the additional assistant sessions judges appointed in exercise of power under Section 93 CRPC are subordinate to the sessions judge appointed under Section 92 CRPC. Therefore, there is a marked difference between the appointment of a sessions judge to the head of the session division and the appointment of additional assistant sessions judge to exercise jurisdiction in a court of session.
This is the correct view.
Yes. And in the last part, it was held that for the reason articulated aforesaid, this court is unable to accept the contentions advanced on behalf of the petitioner, and accordingly, the last part, the petitioner is permitted.
Which page?
The last page, page number 24 and 25, the 52 paragraph, the last, the court held, For the reasons articulated aforesaid, this court is unable to accept contentions advanced on behalf of the petitioner, and accordingly, the petition fails and the same is dismissed. The petitioner is permitted to move before the court of competent jurisdiction, visualize the court of session, visualize the sessions judge, who is the head of sessions division, for anticipatory bail. This is the last part that the court held.
The judgment which referred by them in is which year?
I think 2023. That one is a bench only, Madurai, but this one is the principal bench.
No, that is higher.
This one is higher, because that one is Madurai bench.
No, not like this.
This one is.
It is the number of judges which decides. That was on a reference.
That one is 2.
This is single.
This is single.
So it is not that where they sit.
Yes.
How many of the judges they sit together, that matters. Even if they might be sitting in the outline bench.
Okay.
But if 5 judges are sitting or 3 judges are sitting, that judgment will have. But the reasoning here is good.
Yes, sir.
That's what I'm talking about, Section 9.
Yes.
But look, Shillong lawyer, all senior lawyers also. Thank you so much for giving this. I'll read. Had you given me this judgment, I would have passed the note.
Yes.
I would by the so much time we spent with those lawyers, I could have spent time reading this. Put this file. Give me that note.
I thought that I'll read it first and then I'll.
No, no. You
Today
should have
when I was
given me.
sitting there, Your Honor, I read it.
That bail file. Thank you so much.
May I take it? Much obliged.
We are keeping this copy with us.
Okay. Have copy.
Even if you get some more material, please share with us.
Okay.
Yes,
Your Honor, for MEC 1, Your Honor, Prinas long fixed for judgment, Your Honor.
No, not today.
So, Your Honor, can the accused roller stand leave? Your Honor, so for both the judgment today will be fixed after the vacation.
Vacation.
Much obliged, Your Honor.
May the accused step down. Good day.